This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Deborah Pavlik. Rare, 1-bedroom garden, first floor, condo overlooking Courtyard, only 3 in Conquistador. Complete renovation and redesigned in 2020. Top quality materials, lumber, granite. Reno includes but not limited to 24 porcelain tile, granite kitchen west/range/center island, subway tile backsplash west/deco strip subway tile, convection range west/air fryer, Bosch DW, Samsung refrigerator, Pro 30 stainless steel sink. Enclosed sunroom boasts wood plank ceramic tile, split face slate panel ledger, Knotty cedar plank ceiling, frosted glass bifold doors, granite bath west/solo river pebble mosaic shower floor, Kohler sink, Moen hardware/fixtures. Must see to appreciate. Too much to list? See attached or call agent for complete list of renovations. Play pickleball, tennis, shuffleboard, cards clubhouse west/gym, pool, card room, ballroom, next to Sailfish Sands golf course, day dock west/fishing pier close to everything, mini residence walk/bike to stores and even beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Deborah Pavlik at 772-283-2800.